up, Freebirds? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on a Sportster 1200S, installing a brand new brake lever and clutch lever, and that starts right now. Alright guys, so here's the current status of the brake and clutch lever we have on this bike. It is a chromed out finish that's on here. The owner of this bike, his name is Adam, he's a local subscriber, and he wants to switch these out to an all flat black look. Here are the levers we have right now to switch them out to. They are standard original equipment style levers that are going back on. Real easy way to make the look of this bike all blacked out with a nice matte finish that will match with his handlebars and controls. So let's start taking this apart. All right, we're starting off with the brake side lever here. There's essentially one pin that holds this brake lever on here. And once you release the snap ring here, it'll slide up and pull right off. In order to get this snap ring off safely, or so you don't lose it, I try to use the correct tool, which is a snap ring plier tool that helps spread apart the snap ring. You can use a flathead screwdriver or not, but you just gotta get ready to grab it or make sure that it doesn't shoot across the garage and you lose it. So we're gonna go ahead and get this apart now. It's coming right off now here. Smooth. Just like that. New one in place. All right, just like that, slide it right in. Brake side just needs a clip on it. Install the clip here. There we are. Right side done. On the clutch side. All right, repeating what we did on the other side of here. Remove the snap ring. There you go. All right, so once you remove your snap ring down below, we'll just push our pin up here like this. That. Get your clutch just past so you can squeeze it out here. Just like that. There's a little pin inside of here. Move that here. All right. That frees us up. Put the new one on. Make sure everything goes in smoothly. Don't want to force anything. All right, just like that. Got that line. We're back into action right there. Slide the pin back in. All right, the pin's all been slid through. Good to go. All right, guys, so there it is. The blacked out brake and clutch lever looks fantastic with the rest of the controls up front. Really nails what Adam's trying to do with this front end and bike. Now, as always, if you made it all the way through, I would greatly appreciate if you could hit that subscribe button, tap that like, press that notification, leave a comment below and tell me what you think. For those that have already subscribed, thank you. And as always, stay free, guys, and I'll catch you later.